Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. Really proud to show you one of our unboxing videos of this Audison Thesis Quattro. It's a 4-channel amplifier. It's one of the best bit of kit that you can buy on the market currently. If you're new to our channel, feel free to press the button below, which is the subscribe button, to keep up to date with all our latest videos. What we're going to be showing you in this particular video is a little bit different to some of the other videos that we've done before. A lot of our videos are of installations that we've carried out and talking you through that. But today what we're going to be doing is focusing on product. So we're going to be talking through a little bit more about individual products so you can have a little bit more detail about this. So with all our installations that we carry out and all our quotes that we carry out as well, they're all done by an audio consultation. So you'll see on our website an audio consultation little banner. If you click on that, you can schedule a meeting with us where I'll actually sit down with you and design and spec the system exactly for how you want it. And we design in great detail in terms of the exact product, exact spec. I'll talk you through all of that, as well as the fact that we actually go through and choose where you want products located, whether you want everything hidden away or anything or all on show. A lot of our systems that we do when they are a showpiece are actually designed underneath a false floor, so then when you can use your boot as normal. However, when you go to a show or want to show anyone your new audio system, you can reveal it to them. And that's how a lot of our systems carry out. And if you check out some of our other videos, you'll be able to see that in action. So today what we're going to be focusing on is the Thesis Quattro. Audison Thesis, their tagline is beyond the absolute. And that is absolutely true with all their products in their range. It is the best you can buy, an incredible bit of kit. All of our systems come with a full lifetime warranty, so we're what's part of called the 4-master network. That 4-master network allows us to provide a lifetime warranty nationwide. So after we've carried out the installation, you can go to another 4-master if you move or relocate, and you can go to your local 4-master and they will carry out any repairs or servicing that needs to happen, if it ever does. Generally, our systems, because we're part of this 4-masters network, means we're accredited by Audison, Hertz and other brands as well. It means our install is to a certain level and is the highest possible installation standards that you can expect. So everything's done really neatly behind the scenes, but what we're going to start with is by unboxing this particular video, this particular product here. So it's an incredibly heavy bit of kit. So what we're going to be doing is just opening it up, showing you what you get inside. So this is what's got a dual power mode, so it can run a high current mode, and it's also Class A amplification. So inside the box here, right, what have we got? So we've got a couple of bits of foam just to protect the product, which you'd expect, and then we've got a little box here. So these are the different amplifiers that in the Thesis range. You've got the Thesis Uno, which is a 1-channel monoblock amplifier. You've got the Thesis Duo, which we actually currently have in stock as well. And then we've got the Thesis Quattro, which is this particular amplifier here. So this is a 4-channel amplifier. However, you can use this to gain a bit more power and use it as a 2-channel as well. So just because it's a 4-channel doesn't mean it needs to run 4 independent channels. However, this is, for this particular product, this is actually what we're going to be running. So we're running the Thesis tweeter and then the Thesis woofer using this 4-channel. So in our next demo car, which we're changing over in around about sort of June 2020, you'll be able to come down, have a listen to our demo car, and you'll be able to hear an Audison Thesis front end. So it'll be Audison Thesis tweeter running with channels 1 and 2 on this Quattro, and then the 3 and 4 channel will be running the Thesis sax woofer. So inside this box, this is the first time I'm opening one of these up in terms of the Quattro. So we're just gonna tear this open. So this is a little seal, so anytime you're buying a Audison approved product from Audison, it will come with these seals on practically everything. So inside here we've got a couple of cables. So the first one is a data cable, and then second one is there. And then third one is same as the first. Then you've got fusing for the product, as well as Allen key, as well as some screws. And then you've also got a panel which will allow us to add a USB onto the system. So on the back it's got what's called an AC link. So when you're running this sort of product, generally we run the system in what's called full DA or full DA HD, depending on the level that you're going to. And this is all decided within the consultation, and then we'll choose, that's why it adapts the product. So you can run this product as what's called a full DA system. It means rather than running like a traditional RCA cable between amplifiers, you're actually running like a Cat5 computer cable. And it means that the resolution of the sound going through that cable is ultra clear. So this system would generally add a amplifier processor to the system to allow us to control it all. So underneath, I've got the circuit board. So that is all underneath there. And inside the actual box itself, so this is incredibly weighty bit of kit. So we've also got a starter user guide plus the install instructions via the CD. So you can either view your instructions on the CD or via the manual. You've got a full manual on the Audison website as well. So this is the Thesis Club. So this is really cool because you get basically, you become part of a club of when you buy a Thesis product. So whenever you buy a Thesis amplifier, you'll get one of these little tags. So this shows that you've purchased a Thesis Quattro, plus also the serial number and a PIN code. So that's a really nice little touch. It just sort of makes you like an exclusive member of the Audison Thesis range. So here you've got your warranty booklet as well, guides you through exactly what's included within your warranty. When it's installed by ourselves, you get a full lifetime warranty on this particular product. It's an incredible bit of kit that really does last. So in the quick starter guide, you've got some T's and C's, and you've also got a little bit more about how to set up the product. So you can buy these products from ourselves in store, and we can order them in for you. And this basically guides you through exactly how to use the product. We generally recommend that when you're using a product like this, we always recommend that we carry out the installation unless that you're very competent with this sort of level of equipment. You've got a nice little logo as well if you wanted to apply that to your vehicle. So the actual product here is, I'm going to have to use two hands to lift it. I'll put the box on the floor. So this is the Thesis Quattro. Yes, it is a very big amplifier, but when we're installing it, we can, depending on vehicle, hide this away. So it doesn't need to take up any boot room, but with a product like this, you may want to have it on display. So this is the Audison Thesis Quattro. Absolutely stunning bit of kit. So all the Audison Thesis range look identical in terms of if you were buying the Uno or the Duo. In terms of the silver panel and then the black. We can customize these as well if you wanted a different color. So feel free to get in touch with that, and we go through that all in the audio consultation. You can feel the weight of this. So this is, a lot of people think with amplifiers are just down to size. So they are to an extent, because this is what's called Class A amplification. To achieve true Class A amplification, you do need size, because the fans, the resistors, all the parts within inside that make this product what it is need to be of a certain standard. And also Class A amplifiers also get quite warm. So when we're carrying out an install like this, what we would do is hide everything away, but also install fans and bits of equipment that would keep these products nice and cool. So a really nice bit of kit. So as you can see, you've got your fusing at the top, you've got channels A and channels B, And then you've also got your inputs on this side here. So a really, really nice bit of kit, and then you've got the digital display as well. So if you are interested in a system like this, feel free to get in touch with us. Contact numbers will all be below, as well as our Instagram profiles and things like that, so you can check us out online. In terms of our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe by pressing the button below. But thank you very much for watching this very short video on the Thesis Quattro Amplifier, and we look forward to installing one in your vehicle soon. Thank you.